Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to take two different color of paper. First we are going to take this purple and it is of blue color from the back side. Make multiple folds, again fold it into half and make four such shapes, black and blue. Now we are going to tuck both of them together. Look how we are putting the blue color of strip paper inside the black one from both its sides. Look like this, and we are going to pull the blue strip of paper like this. Now adjust it by pulling it from all its sides, and look, your star is ready. So have fun. Here we are going to take this yellow color of A4 sheet paper. Now we are going to make multiple folds from the side, from the bottom side as well. Now flip it and fold it into half. After this we are going to make two cuts look like this using scissors, and we are going to put a rubber band, and look, it's ready. First, we are going to take this orange color of square craft paper, make three folds. Now we are going to flip it and fold it into half. After this, we are going to fold it from the corner. Look how we are doing here. Here we are going to make the pouches. So we are going to tuck the paper inside and again fold it from the bottom side like this and gently open it, and look, your box is ready. After this, we are going to make more such colorful boxes. You can increase and decrease the size. Now we are going to tuck both the paper together. Look how we are putting it from the top and bottom, look like this, and tuck both of them together like this in a straight line. And we are going to keep adding more boxes as we are doing here in this video, and look, it's ready. After this, make more such mini boxes, and look, it's done. We're going to take this blue color of paper and make multiple folds from the top and from the sides as well. Now we're going to fold it and make these four mini squares. Now we're going to open all the squares and then flip it like this. After this, we're going to fold it and keep it aside. Now take different color of paper. Here we're going to take this yellow one, fold it from the sides and make these triangular shape. Flip it. Again, we're going to fold it and make this mini square. Now we are going to pick up the yellow one and tuck it inside the blue craft paper, look like this. Tuck in the corners, and look, it's ready. Keep it aside. Now take another paper. Here we are going to take this green color of paper. We are going to make the holder here for the spinning toy. So we are going to make this mini square and fold it from the sides. We're going to give it a shape of star like this. Press it and put it inside at the center, and look, your homemade spinning toy is ready. You can spin it like this. We're going to take this blue color of craft paper, and first we are going to fold it from the diagonals. Now we are going to fold it from the corners and make the triangular shape. Open it. After this, we are going to again fold it from the sides, flip it and then fold it and make this mini square. Here we are going to fold it again and give it a shape of this heart shape, look like this. Squeeze it and then hold it from the corners, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make 50 such colorful shapes. You can also increase or decrease the size or number of craft paper. We are going to paste all the heart shapes together, and look, your craft is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.